This is Quinnan.
Hello everyone, this is Judy.
We are Maysky Stainless Steel Company. Our factory is established in 2001. Our factory located in Foshan City in China, which is about 1 hour from Guangzhou. We are professional in manufacturing the stainless steel welded tube for decoration use. For example, the ASTM A554 standard tube, also called 102192, and the EM102962 standard in Europe. We have 50 workers, only 72 production lines, 18 polishing lines, and 5 packaging lines. We can produce 3,000 trans tubes every month. Now, we can make sure the order delivered within 13 to 35 days. We also have our own warehouse to store the tube. In 2014, Maysky established a professional exporting team with rich experiences. For that time, we only do the export business and export about 1,000 trans tubes to Europe every month. We had a lot of expenses to work with Europe and South American countries. So welcome to contact us if you are interested in us. And here is our contact information. You can contact us by email and WhatsApp and inks.
Yes, and now let me introduce our tube production process by some pictures. The first one start is the raw material. This one is our raw material. It's the stainless steel strips. It's the raw material of stainless steel welded tubes. We will install the strips on the runner where machine runs. The strip will go into the machine, and the machine will carry parts to our size. This is the first step. And next one is the bending process. And it will bending the material into the shape and the size which we need, like round, square, the rectangular tubes. It's the bending process. The next one is the welding process. After the raw material is formed, it will enter the welding process. Our welding way is TIG welding. It's TIG welding. And next one, cooling. Yeah, cooling. We will cooling the tubes by water. And now it's the cutting process. We will cut the tubes into the length we need. In general, we will cut the tubes into centimeter because centimeter is the most regular one. But we also can cut it in 5 meter, 5.8, 6.1. If you have other length requirements, you can tell us. We can also make it as per your requirements. And then it's the polish process. It's the polish. It's the final process in production, and we can do brush, polish, and mirror surface. Here's the polish. Yeah, after the polish, the tubes is come in, and then we will check the tubes quality. Our quality control department will check the tubes piece by piece before package. They will test the size, thickness, length, and check the straightness. Also will check the surface. We will introduce the quality inspection process later in detail. Here, this is the packing. Each tube will pack into one per plastic bag. Sometimes we will use clear poly bag to pack 3 or 4 tubes, and red or blue color poly bag for 3/1 material. Here you can see we will stick the label on each tube or poly bag. Several tubes packed into the big bundle with 2 ropes. Each bundle weight is about 300 to 500 kilograms. Also, we can pack the bundles as per your quantity. Here, you can see our warehouse. When finished packing, all tubes were put in our warehouse and waiting for loading. And then it's the final step. After loading, we will put the slings on each bundle, and the forklift will lift the bundle into the container. This is our entire process from production to shipment. And now we will play a video for you so you can see how our factory manufacture.
This is our welding machine. By far, we have like 72 welding machine lines. Our factory was established in 2001, and in 2014, we started exporting. Now we have like 14 workers in the factory. In this side is our mill finished products, and this is our polishing line. You see, this is a mill finishing one. And then you can see in this part how this polishing machine work. Now we have like 18 polishing lines. This is already finished one. Again, this left side is our testing side. And this is a grade 600 polished one. This is a hairline production line. You could say this is the grade 180. The rectangular ones. $304, like one for two, and each of them is of $1.
Okay, if you are more interested in our factory life, please welcome to us directly. We can have video meeting with you in factory. Here is our contact information. You can send us email or send a message to us on WhatsApp or Instagram. Then we can have a video meeting with you in the factory. Also, if you're interested, we can also have next live broadcast in the factory. Just contact us. You can see our contact information here. Welcome to send us email. We are factory. We can give you the most competitive price.
Okay, thank you, Judy, introduce our production. So the next, I will show you the tube surface. And our factory only manufacture the stainless steel welded tubes. We have very competitive price with stable, good quality. Our regular standard is ASTM A554. In Europe, it also called EN 102962 for roll tube and EN 102192 for square tube and rectangle tube. Our factory can manufacture round tube, square tube here, and a rectangle tube and a slot tube. First, about the material, we have two here. 201 and 304 and 304L and 316L and 430. Here you can see. But in usually you will buy the more 304 material.
Here we will show you two samples one by one.
Yes.
Here, this one is the 320 grades. Is the most popular surface in Europe. It's 320 grades. For brush surface 320 grades. The most popular one in Europe. And the most popular size is 42.2 and also 48.3 by 2 millimeter. Yeah.
Yes, and you also can see this one here.
You can show the 600 grades press.
Yes, you can see the G800 and greater than the G600.
Here you can see the difference. 800 grades is much brighter, just like mirror. You can show a hand here. Yeah. So customer can see the difference. The 800 grades is more brighter.
Yes, and show you.
Yeah, this
one new finish. New finish.
Yeah, this is a mirror finish and without any surface finish. We can also supply mirror finish tubes. So if you have such demand, you can also send inquiry to us. You can purchase the mirror finish tube from our factory, the run, through the surface finish in your own country if you want. And the next one.
This was the slot tube.
Yeah, we can also manufacture the slot tube. This is the round slot tube. Here also we have the square round tube in 201, in 304 or 316 grade material. Yes, it's the slot tube.
Yes.
Okay. And also round tube. This one is 800 grades for round tube. 800 grades for round tube.
Hello dear, welcome to our live, and please give me a like and follow us, and I will have the live view tomorrow, and you also can see it. Hello dear, welcome to our live show.
Also, this one is 600 grades. 600 grades for round tube. 600 grades for round tube. You can compare it with 800 grades. 800 grades is much more brighter than 600 grades, but the cost for mirror 800 grades is also higher. Most customer requires for 600 grades.
Dear, sense you like. Okay.
Yes.
For milk finish, some customers also call it to be surface. For brush finish, we also do 100, 800, do 240, and do 320 for choose. For polish, it's bright surface, and just I will show you. We can do 400 and 600 As for mirror, it's G800. The surface just look like mirror, and you can see your face to G800. Okay, but the cost will be much higher. In general, G320 and G600 could be more popular.
Yes, the printing introduction is based on the ASTM A554 standard tubes and its for decoration use. Also, we can produce the A270 and the A312 standard tubes. For A270 standard tube in Europe is also called EN10357 standard. It's the sanitary tube. Usually requires the inside bead removal and also inside bead polish process. And here you can check the samples.
Okay.
Yeah, you can check the samples. It's the sanitary tube. It made the inside polish and the inside bead removal. Here you can show the inside one. Yeah. It's the inside bead removal, also inside polish process. It's used for food industry. Generally, beverage factories will use the tubes with this standard to make the equipment. For A312 and EN1021747 standard, we can also manufacture it. If you need, please just let us know what character of those standards you need, so we can calculate the cost for you. And if you are more requirement, you can send us the email or send a message to us on WhatsApp. Regarding the size, for round tube, the smallest one, we can do it 6 millimeter. Here you can see on our catalog. Here, you can see our smallest size for round tube is 6 millimeter. The most popular one is 25.4. 25.4 is 1 inch. 1 inch also 31.8, 31.8, 38.1. Also, the most popular one in Europe is 42.2, 42.2, also 48.3. Yeah, those are regular and popular size in Europe. And for rectangular tube, we can make 20 by 10, 20 by 10. The smallest size we can make is 20 by 10, 20 by 10. Also, the popular one is 40 by 20, 60 by 30, those size. And for square tube, yeah, square tube, we also have square tube. The smallest one we can make is 10 by 10, 10 by 10. And the popular one is 40 by 40. The most popular one is 40 by 40 by 1.5 millimeter or by 2 millimeter. Is the most popular one in Europe. If you are interested in the size list, you can send us email or yeah, you can send us email so we can send the email send email to you with the e-catalog, so you can check the detailed size list. And the most popular thickness is 1.2, 1.5, and 2 millimeter. So welcome to send your tube inquiry to us. We will offer you the most competitive price because we are factory, we are manufacturer, so all the price is factory direct sale. The price will be very competitive. Welcome to contact us. You can see our contact information here. You can send us email or just communicate it with us in the WhatsApp. Also, you can just leave a message to us on the Instagram. Welcome to send us email, and we will send you our e-catalog to check the more details. Some customers said they received 201 material when we booked 304 material. It's really a disaster. We have such problems
Happen. Yes.
Yeah.
And if you have any other questions about the product, please leave a message or send us an email. This is the contact information.
Yes, you can contact us by those contact information. Also, many customers pay great attention to the package because they want to well receive the tips. Our package is mainly used for exports because our company only do export business, so we are very professional for the packing. Our factory also received many appreciations from our customers, so please don't worry about the package. Normally for 201 and 304 is the polybag. And here you can see the picture. Yeah, it's the polybag for 201 and 304 material. And for 316 grade material, we will use the different color, such as the red color or blue or green color to pack the 316 grade material. And then is the label. We will have one label for each tube. The label will be on the tube or the
Hello,
pallet
dear,
bag.
welcome to our live show.
Yes, welcome. Here, for label, we will stick on the tube, but some customers don't like the stick on the tube, so we also can put the sticker on the poly bag. It depends on you. So if you have any requirements, you can just tell us the details before place the order to us. Then we will pack the tubes as per your requirements. Label can pack on the tube or also on the poly bag. Here you can see the different types. And then on each bundle, we will have 2 ropes so you can unload the bundles easily. Each bundle is about 500 kilograms. Also, for some small customers, we will ship by this container loading. So for this container loading, it needs some special packaging such as wooden box or also steel box. It depends on your demand for small customers. Yes, you can see this loading container packing by wooden box or steel box. Here, okay. And then, about the tube quality, we will introduce you detailing how we check the tube quality. Before packing, we will check the tube quality one piece by one piece. We will test the tube size, the thickness, the length, and make sure they meet the tolerance of the size. Also, we will check the tube surface, make sure there are no sandholes, no scratches, and also the surface finish is what the customers need. And we will check the edge and make sure there are no burrs and the side is flat and smooth. Also, we will check the welding line if it's fully welded. We will check the tube straightness and roundness too. We only make delivery for good quality tubes. Then I will test some tube samples for you. Here for this one, I will test it now. No, I need to test the thickness. Yeah, thank you. Here the side. Wait a moment. Okay. This one is for 2 millimeter thickness. And here you can see its test is 1.85. 1.85. Yeah, for 2 millimeter. For 2 millimeter, the real thickness for this tube is 1.85. It's within the standard. Also, we will test the next one. You can send me a tube sample. Yeah, okay. This one is the mirror surface we just showed you. We will also check the surface. Yeah. Okay, wait a moment. Here you can see this one is also for 2 millimeter, and the real thickness for it is 1.85. 1.85. The real thickness for 2 millimeter. Yes. Okay. And next one, we'll test the final one. Test the final one sample for you. Okay, this one is a mirror finish. Okay, this one is the 1.5 millimeter. The real thickness we test is 1.43 for 1.5 millimeter. It's always in the standard. Okay. If you are interested, you can contact us and we can have video meeting in the factory, so you can see our production and the checking and the quality inspection process in the factory. And now is the question and answer time.
Okay, and I have a question, Julie.
Yes.
How long customer can receive our tube after place the order?
In general, our production time is 30 days to 50 days. Yes, about delivery time, it's about 30 days to 50 days. Depends on your quantity. It's very flexible. So if your order is in urgent, please just let us know in advance, and we will try our best to support you. For the fastest time, we can make delivery to you in 20 days too. And now, we also will prepare some stock raw material inventory for timely production. And then the vessel selling time takes about 30 days on the sea. So the tubes can arrive your warehouse in 2 months or 3 months after you place the order. And then, Fina,
Okay.
Do you know what is our MOQ minimum order quantity? Yes.
Normally, we set 20 feet or 40 feet container order because whole container shipping is safe for tube, but also can save the shipping cost. For 20 feet container, it can hold about 18 to 22 tons tube, and for 40 feet container, it can hold about 25 to 28 tons tube. But if you want to try a trial order, we can also access wire trans order.
Yes, no matter your order quantity is big or small, we can meet your requirements.
Yes. Julie, how to get tube sample to check the quality?
Yes, all of our tube samples are for free and cut from mass production line. It's the same quality with the order. You can email us with your detailed request, and we will prepare the samples well in 7 days. Here we have some popular sample size. Those are popular sample size. It's only 40 by 40 by 2 millimeter in 320 grades, and 40 by 40 by 1+2 millimeter in a 180 grades. Also some other sample size popular one you can see. If you need, you can contact us and send us email or send message to us on WhatsApp. Just tell us your sample demand. We will prepare it well and send to you.
Okay.
So Finland, how about the EU tax if imposed from China?
EU emplacement quota applies by every quarter. You can check with your local customer for the detailed quota detail. The tax out of the quota is 25%. Some clients will choose store two in the warehouse, which is fear of dirt, and pick up it when have a new quota to avoid the 25% tax. From the supply side, we can do is to arrange the production well and making time delivery, so the containers can arrive destination port before the new run quota start. Okay, the next question, Judy.
Yes.
What is the customer want to visit our factory?
Yeah, because the epidemic situation is still very serious. It's not clear when China will open entry, but we can have video meeting and we often have the live broadcast on Instagram every Thursday, sometimes in office and sometimes in factory. So customers can know more about our company and they can talk with us and ask questions during our live time. So if you want to visit our factory, there are two ways. We can have a video meeting. This is the first one. The second one, you can watch our live broadcast in factory. You can communicate it with us and we will inform you once have the live broadcast in the factory. Yes.
Okay, thank you. And for more questions, welcome to contact us. This one contact information. You can contact us the WhatsApp and send us the email and can contact us in inks. Welcome. And the next, the beside we can supply some extra service. Can see
Yeah,
that.
we can supply some extra service.
Yes, one is a fear to samples.
Yeah, free gift samples. Here we have one video for you, gift sample video for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
The two help customer to calculate.
Yeah, you can see our gift sample videos here. Yeah, this is some samples we prepared for other customers. If you have any demand, you can also tell us and we will prepare the sample well for you.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, this is our first extra service, free gift samples. Okay, next one, Kina.
Okay, next to help customer to calculate the order quality well and the volume. Suggest the best shipping solution.
Yes, some customers only send the inquiry in meter or in pieces, but they don't know how to calculate the inquiry weight and volume. So we can calculate the weight and volume for you for free and suggest if the order to fit 20 feet container or to fit 40 feet container or 1 container or 2 container in your orders. And the next one, Queen.
Next is the three supply the newspaper every month.
Yes, we have newspaper every month. The newspaper, okay, we can show you a sample newspaper sample here. You can see our newspaper just like this. We will have it every month. If you have any demand request for us, you can contact us by email and leave your demand. We will send newspaper to you by email. You can contact us here. This is our contact information.
Yes.
Okay, next one, please.
Next, the four. Whenever you need, we can have online meeting with you to resolve all the questions.
Yes, because the COVID situation is still serious and we cannot meet face by face, so we can use the online meeting to replace it. Online meeting, we can fit your time wherever you convenient. We can have video meeting for you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Welcome to contact us for more information. You can see our contact information here. You can send us email or you can send us message on WhatsApp or just leave message to us on Instagram.
Okay. Maysky is a factory direct sale. We are always here. That's all for today's live. See you next Thursday.
Okay, see you next Thursday.
Bye bye.